Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always coming back. I'm so much grateful. Okay, I know, I'm so sorry. I have a cold. And guys, I hope you're keeping warm wherever you are, and I'm grateful to God for this opportunity. And today I have another interesting video for us, guys. We are in the kitchen, as you can see, and we are about to make some delicious matoke. I hope you guys follow through, and you can also try and give me your feedback on how it goes on your side. Kindly subscribe, like, and comment, and also share my video. And I'll be grateful, guys. So come along, let's do this. So guys, this is just a snippet of what we are cooking. These are delicious plantains or matoke, and we are serving them with these delicious nutritious greens. So guys, we are cooking this concurrently, hey, whatever that means. And here we have frying our onions for the greens, and here is another pot with the already fried tomatoes. These are pre-boiled plantains, guys. They are a bit too soft. You can choose to make them less soft because you're still cooking them to prevent them from breaking. Yeah, guys, so during this cold season, we are eating healthy. That's why we are doing these plantains with some greens to ensure we are eating healthy and nutritious meals to beat the cold. So our onion is already brown, golden brown, and this is a mixture of greens. We have terere, we have skuma, we have spinach, and those other traditional kienyeji vegetables. Here we are adding some salt. We cover it just for a little bit. This is dania. I'm cutting the parslels and all dania to put them in the matoke. Now that it's ready, it's like about 5 minutes. Think mine are a bit overcooked, but guys, you can choose how you want yours to be. So we are putting some dania and just mixing softly to prevent breaking. And here we are, guys. These are delicious plantains, very easy. 5 minutes, you're ready. Our greens are ready and looking so good and nutritious, guys, and enjoying. So my beautiful viewers, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share my videos. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and keep warm during this cold season. Bye.